morning. We have started the chapter 1 of geography. The topic is resources, and what we have completed the part generally. You have seen that first learn through the point wise definition of resources, the types of resources, and then the subdivision of the types of resources. Means, let's explain again natural resource, human made resource, and human resource. So far as we come to know that the importance of resources and what are the different categories they are found in our surroundings. No doubt they are very important and we have to care it like our ancestors what they heritated to us: land, air, water, and we are using them. It is very necessary for our survival. The point comes here that what we should do with these resources, because as we came from our forefathers, we have to also transfer for the future generation. So another points we shall see today, that is conservation of resources. So come here. What do you mean by conservation of resources? Generally, you can take it the protection of resources. It means not we have to stop the using of resources, but it says here carefully and giving them so here you are seeing the definition of conservation of resources. Using of resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. It means that what we have obtained from the past, we have to also transfer it to the future. And in future, the coming generation will enjoy with the same as we are doing nowadays. The present generation enjoying these resources carefully, and so that the coming generation will get benefited. So three things we have to learn, that is 3 R's. Means reducing, recycling, and reusing. Reducing means what? The materials which are available on the earth, abundance, no doubt, water, land, air, but we have no right to misuse them. We should carefully use them so that the coming generation may also get benefited with these materials. Next, recycling. Some substances over the earth which we used and we think that it is useless. Never. It means it can be recycled, means it can be changed in the form to use again, like iron, the land. These all are. We have to think about that, how we have to use more and more types. Materials are of different types, substances are of different types, but some of them are not neglected. They must be recycled. What materials can be, we see that. And now reusing the available substance which is used by us may be used in future generation, the land part. We should not think that we are only the user of these things. The future generation who is not the responsible for degradation of the lands, because we are using them present. So we should think that. I know. Okay. The second topic for the conservation of resources is called sustainable development. Sustainable development gives us a part to care about the conservation of resources. What? The development, what we see that the situation in all around, I mean at our home, in our city, in our country, in the world, something going to change, and it is the process. But here the development which comes towards us never be in the condition to damage the environment and the resources. So it says here, sustainable development. What is the development? Like it says, carefully using, always care. That is carefully using and utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present, what we need today, the present also takes care of the future generation. So we should think that the generation must be, which is coming, are important. So here is principle of sustainable development. What are the principles of sustainable development? Respect and care for all forms of life. It means the life which are present over earth, they all are important. Second, improve the quality of life. Like here we are human beings, but other life, like the animals, the beasts, wild animals, they are also the part of this earth. So they have to also care. So here it is saying that third point, minimize the depletion of the natural substance. Like we have the minerals, waters everywhere, no doubt. The earth has maximum things for our survival, for our welfare. But some areas where the people development means the greediness, it is wrong. Sustainable development does not say it. It says that carefully, so that the future generation will also enjoy with it. Next, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. I mean all things which are present over the earth, they are the part of this planet and they have the right as we have. So we see that there is such like condition available around us over this planet that they may also enjoy their life, they may survive, not only the animals or the living beings, the planets or minerals, plants, all the things, and keep surroundings clean. It means we have to respect the environment. Environment means where we are living. these are the part of the sustainable development. So I think that